I put it on the sport mode, which makes it go way faster. It's flying weird. I'm not even doing nothing. Oh shit. Yeah, this thing. See, I'm not doing nothing. It flies weird sometimes. It's only 20 bucks, but it's kind of fun for the house, you know. But I suck at flying it. I shouldn't say driving. Oh. I just keep it in this slower mode. It's easier. Oh, I almost hit the wall. I've crashed it probably like 6 times, 7. Nothing broke yet. I'm surprised. All right. Oh shit. Damn, I almost hit that dude. See, sometimes it doesn't fly right. I mean, there's no wind, but it just it's like going up. I think too, because I crashed, so now it's acting funny. Oh. Come on. Yeah, I just wish it flew, straighter. But it's cheap, so I want to get something. So now it's just going up. I'm not doing nothing. Something kind of like the same, but it'll last longer. Bambi. So let's make it go back. Yeah, now it's gonna die. Oh, come on. You guys see it blinking? It's gonna die. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.